Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player on Pokémon Let's Go Eevee. To begin, make sure you have a second Joy-Con controller connected to your Nintendo Switch. Simply shake that second Joy-Con, and a support trainer will instantly appear right beside your main character. This exciting feature allows two players to explore the vibrant Kanto region side by side, making your adventure even more engaging and fun for everyone involved. Once activated, the second player takes control of the support trainer using their Joy-Con. Both players can move around the game world independently, exploring at their own pace. However, it's important to remember that the support trainer has some limitations. They cannot interact with non-player characters or pick up items directly. Only the main player can access the game's menus, initiate conversations, and progress the story. When encountering a wild Pokémon, both players can participate in the capture attempt. Each player throws a Pokéball simultaneously, which significantly boosts your chances of a successful catch. This dual throw also grants a bonus to experience points. In trainer battles, it becomes a 2 versus 1 or 2 versus 2 scenario, with each player sending out one Pokémon. This cooperative battling adds a strategic layer to every encounter. Playing in two-player mode offers several fantastic advantages. You'll receive a significant experience point boost from battles and catches, helping your Pokémon level up faster. Catching wild Pokémon becomes much easier and more efficient with two players throwing Pokéballs. Additionally, two players can collect items scattered across the screen more quickly. This cooperative mode is truly perfect for sharing the entire Pokémon adventure with a friend or family member.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.